Hey guys, it's Jonathan, your straight shooter from USAA. Today, let's get straight to the point about starting to invest. You know what they say? Rome was not built in a day. Same goes with building wealth. Investing takes time, patience, discipline, and of course, money. You really should start investing as soon as possible to take advantage of time, while it's still on your side. Here's what I mean. The less time you have to invest, the more difficult it can be to meet your financial goals, for like retirement or education for the next generation. So get started early. Continue making steady contributions and stay disciplined and patient. Let me say this again. Stay patient. Take advantage of the power of time, aka compounding interest. Time is money. So guys, the world of investing is huge. Getting started can be overwhelming. You should seek financial advice from a reputable source and review your plan annually. For example, USAA has some great resources to help you meet your goals. Okay, so to recap, here's some useful steps for getting rolling with investing. Step 1, start early. Build that amount you're investing into your monthly budget and make it a priority. Step 2, if you could only afford to start small, start small. Increase the amount over time as your income increases or expenses come down. Step 3, stay committed and resilient. The more your balances grow, the more that interest could grow. That's pretty good advice. Hey, maybe I should try my hand at Wall Street. All right, if you want to learn more about investing and getting started, check out usaa.com/investing. Guys, seriously, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and check out more episodes of Straight Shooters here on the USAA YouTube channel.